Everyone has different skin concerns like acne, dullness, spots and aging. For this, we use different cosmetic products like serum, mask, cream, and lotion, that contains many chemicals. I love using oils on my face, but most of the oil available in the market contains fragrance, and some chemical, as well, which I don't like at all. Today's video will discuss DIY facial oil for glowing skin, anti-acne and anti-aging. DIY anti-aging facial oil for healthy, dewy and younger skin. Ingredients: jojoba oil 2 tablespoon, rosehip oil 2 tablespoon, carrot seed oil 1 tablespoon, yang essential oil 6 to 7 drops, vitamin E oil 5 drops. How to use: take a bowl, and mix jojoba oil, rosehip oil, carrot seed oil, yang essential oil and vitamin E oil. Store this oil in a dropper bottle for convenient use. Wash your face using a good face wash, and apply this facial oil gently in a circular motion. Do this every night, and if you have dry skin, and you can use this in daytime as well. Do not forget to apply a high SPF sunscreen. Are you going to try this? Let me know in the comments section below.